Binance just list Turbo on their platform as predicted. Look at it here. And then immediately after this very listing on Binance, see what happened? Boom. Market began to pump all the way to the upside the past 4 days. In this video, let's discuss Turbo price prediction and all you need to know about this very token and then how you can get it into your portfolio. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Binance just listed Turbo on their platform and what we see was this aggressive move all the way from this very price level of 0.00305 up to this very point of 0.0059. And this is very significant in just 3 to 4 days. Look at it here. And if you invest in this guy, before this listing on Binance, you should make a significant return from this very move all the way from here to the upside. And I made mention of that in one of my videos on this very channel. And that is why you need to stay updated. Just like Breath will get that very listing as well very, very soon. And the right time to buy Breath is right now when it's still very low and not on Binance yet, because when that listing comes, definitely it's going to move all the way to the upside. So Turbo right here is moving upward, and if you look at the previous history from this very area, 4 days ago or so, market began to pump all the way to the upside after the listing on Binance, and this is very significant. I am looking at this market begin to move all the way to the upside as we enter into the hard pump in the bull market. And one thing you need to know about Turbo is that if you come right here to coin market cap, Turbo is ranked number 214 by market capitalization, having $328 million. And right at this very point, you look at it, market circulating supply is 64 billion Turbo, total supply is 69 billion, and max supply is 69 billion. Now, Turbo is built on the Ethereum blockchain. And right now, there's an addition of a new blockchain, which is the Solana blockchain. Now, this is very important to all of us right now if you want to invest in Turbo and get massive return in the heat of the bull market. So Turbo is a meme token, and for my expectation, I am expecting that this very coin, which is a meme coin, is going to do very well in the heat of the bull market. And the best time to buy it is right now and put it into your portfolio. Now, where are the markets that you can get Turbo? You can get Turbo right now on Binance. Look at it here, guys. On Binance, which is very, very easy. You can get it on OKX, Kraken, Gate.io, HTX, Bitfinex, KuCoin, and the rest of the exchanges right there. The one that is in your region and suitable for you. So Turbo is going to move from this very point all the way upward. Okay, that is my expectation. Right now, at where the price is of 0.00508, expect the market to correct a little bit and then move all the way to the upside as we begin to see major pump come into the market very, very soon. So here is the deal. If you invest $500 into Turbo, this is the quantity of Turbo you are going to have in your portfolio right now. So let's say, for example, you just want to throw $500 into this very meme token. So you buy with $500. So $500 divided by where the price is right now. This is the quantity of Turbo you're going to have in your portfolio. This is 98,000 Turbo, and this is massive enough to make you rich in the heat of the bull market. Turbo is one of those meme tokens that have done greatly in the past. So if you look at the past, go back to the 1 week chart and look at what this very token have done in the past. Look at it here. Market pump all the way from this very point, and then we have a significant pump right here. If you expand this chart to the upside, we have retracement. We have another pump right here, then retracement, and the market pump hard, and then we see this retracement right in. Market is about to pump upward again, just like we've seen right at this very point and at this very area. And this is the thing you need to pay attention to right now on Turbo. Not only that, if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool and you draw from this very point of impulse and then to this very area where we see the highest high before the retracement, you see that the market have retraced 0.618%. This is 61% retracement on the Fibonacci levels. So from this very point, expect the market to begin to move all the way from here upward. So technically, market is going to move from here to the upside. And on chain, market is going to move from here upward as well. Not only that, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, from this very stochastic RSI indicator right now, you see that the market is going to move upward. Why? Because the market is already at oversold condition. Look at it here. Market at oversold condition, and the blue line have crossed over the orange line, which means there is a preparation for the market moving upward right now on turbo. So the best time to get turbo into your portfolio is right now. Get turbo into your portfolio from any of these exchanges. And one thing very important is that turbo is going to pump hard from here all the way to the upside, especially in the heat of the bull market. Not only that, if you look at this very area, yesterday Fed cut interest rates by 0.50 basic points. Look at it at this very point. What the market was expecting for Fed to do was for Fed to cut by 0.25. Look at the previous data was 0.50%. And then the forecast that economists and financial analysts were expecting was 5.25. And then Fed cut by 50%, that's 0.50, which is far way above market expectation. What that means is that aggressive pump that we've been expecting to come into the market for this very bull market is already in. It has not showed up on the chart yet, and that is why wise investors have started stacking in their portfolio with Bitcoin and other potential high promising altcoins and also some meme tokens. And that is why I am expecting the market to begin to move all the way to the upside from where it is right now. So on this very price chart, market is moving upward from this very area. Expect a just little retracement if it happens, and the market is going to move all the way to the upside. And that aggressive pump is coming in, guys. Why? Because of this Fed rate cut, which is above market expectation right at this very point. This is what you need to pay attention to right now, because that very massive aggressive pump we've been expecting in the market is already here as a result of this rate cut. This is what I personally have been expecting to happen all this while, and finally Fed have done the job. So expect an aggressive move in the market. Start stacking your portfolio with coins, invest heavily for that aggressive pump to come into the market very, very soon. And this is what I am personally doing right now. The first coin, which is a meme coin that you need to stack right now, is Turbo. So Turbo is going to move all the way to the upside as a result of Binance listing, as you can see, with this aggressive pump all the way to the upside. $500 is going to give you a huge amount of Turbo, which is about 98,000. But if you don't have 500, you can put in any little amount you can, depending on your risk appetite. So that is very important right now. Pay attention, and this market is going to move all the way to the upside. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for crypto videos and educational content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.